Hey there, my financially independent friends. It's your favorite money-savvy guru, Green Waifu, here to tackle a big question: how to quit your job the right way using the financial independent retire early method. I know it might sound daunting, but fear not. Today, I'm going to break it down for you in a way that's super easy to understand. So, get ready to learn and let's dive into this exciting topic together. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what financial independence retire early means. It's a movement that's all about achieving financial freedom at a young age so you can have more control over your life and retire early if you choose to. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Well, it is. The first step in the FIRE method is saving money. Saving might not sound exciting, but trust me, it's a superpower that can help you achieve your dreams. Let's explore some key points to get started. 1. Set a savings goal. Having a savings goal is like having a destination on a treasure map. It gives you direction and motivation to keep moving forward. When setting your savings goal, think about what you want to achieve. Is it retiring early, starting your own business, traveling the world? Once you have a clear goal in mind, you can work towards it with determination and focus. Let's say your goal is to save 25 times your annual expenses. If you estimate that your annual expenses will be $40,000, then you'll need to save $1 million to reach your goal. Breaking it down, you can aim to save $100,000 per year for 10 years, or adjust the timeline based on your income and expenses. Remember, your savings goal should be challenging but realistic. 2. Create a budget. Budgeting is like having a superhero sidekick that helps you manage your money effectively. It's all about knowing where your money is coming from and where it's going. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Take a close look at your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back on non-essential items. For example, instead of buying that fancy coffee every day for $5, you could brew your own delicious cup of coffee at home for just $1. That simple change can save you around $1,800 a year. Imagine what you could do with that extra money. Invest it, save it, or treat yourself to something special once in a while. It's all about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Creating a budget also allows you to allocate specific amounts to different categories, such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. By giving each category a spending limit, you can make sure you're staying on track and not overspending. Remember, budgeting doesn't mean depriving yourself. It's about finding a balance between your needs and wants. 3. Automate your savings. Automation is like having a magical money-making machine. It simplifies the saving process and makes it easier for you to stay consistent. Instead of manually transferring money to your savings or investment accounts, set up automatic transfers from your paycheck to a dedicated savings account. Let's say you decide to save 20% of your monthly income. If your monthly income is $3,000, you would automatically transfer $600 to your savings account. By automating your savings, you won't even miss the money because it's set aside before you have a chance to spend it. Over time, these small contributions will add up, and your savings will grow faster than you can imagine. Additionally, consider setting up automatic contributions to retirement accounts like a 401k or an individual retirement account. By doing so, you'll be taking advantage of tax benefits and maximizing your long-term savings. Automation takes the guesswork out of saving and ensures that you're consistently building your wealth. Remember, setting a savings goal, creating a budget, and automating your savings are key steps on the path to financial independence and early retirement. Take the time to analyze your goals, track your expenses, and set up those automatic transfers. By being proactive with your money, you're giving yourself the power to create a brighter future. Now that we've laid the groundwork for saving, let's talk about how and when to quit your job the right way. Here are some important points to consider. 1. Build your financial cushion. Before you even think about saying goodbye to your job, it's crucial to have a solid financial cushion in place. Imagine having a cozy pillow made of money to rest on while you figure out your next move. This means having enough savings to cover your living expenses for at least 6 months to a year. Let's say your monthly expenses add up to $2,000. To build a 6-month financial cushion, you would aim to save $12,000. That's like having your very own emergency fund to rely on if things don't go as planned. It gives you peace of mind and a safety net while you navigate your next steps. So start squirreling away those dollars. 2. Plan your exit strategy. Quitting your job is a major decision, and it's essential to have a plan in place before taking the leap. Picture yourself as a brave adventurer charting the path to your dreams. Start by thinking about what you want to do next. Do you dream of starting your own business, traveling the world, or pursuing a passion project? For example, if you're passionate about baking, you might plan to open your own bakery. Research the skills you need, the market demand, and the steps required to get there. It's like preparing a detailed treasure map that leads you straight to success. The more you plan and prepare, the smoother your journey will be. 3. Network and explore opportunities. Building a network of like-minded individuals is like joining forces with a team of superheroes. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with people who share your interests. Let's say you're interested in photography. Join photography clubs or attend workshops where you can meet fellow photographers and learn from their experiences. Networking opens doors to new opportunities. It's like finding hidden treasure chests full of potential job offers, partnerships, or collaborations that align with your goals. You never know when a connection can lead to a fantastic opportunity, so be open to building relationships and sharing your own unique skills and talents. 4. Be financially prepared. Remember, quitting your job means saying goodbye to that steady paycheck. But fear not. With proper financial planning, you can ensure a smooth transition. Calculate your monthly expense of things like rent, food, transportation, and other necessities. Let's say your monthly expenses add up to $2,500. To be financially prepared, you want to have enough passive income or side hustles to cover your expenses. You could explore generating income through investments, such as dividend-paying stocks or rental properties. Let's say you invest in dividend stocks that yield an average of 4% annually. To cover your $2,500 monthly expenses, you would need investments totaling $750,000. That's like having your very own money tree. 5. Leave on good terms. When it's time to bid farewell to your job, do it gracefully and professionally. Imagine leaving a trail of rainbows behind you as you embark on your next adventure. Give your employer proper notice, usually 2 weeks, and offer to help with the transition. This demonstrates your professionalism and gratitude for the opportunities you've had. Leaving on good terms can maintain positive relationships with your former colleagues and supervisors. It's like building bridges that can lead to future opportunities, such as recommendations or potential partnerships. You never know when your paths may cross again, so always leave a positive impression wherever you go. Remember, the Financial Independence Retire Early method is all about taking control of your life and pursuing your dreams. It's not about quitting your job impulsively, but rather making intentional choices that align with your goals and values. Take your time, plan ahead, and trust in your abilities to achieve financial independence and create a life you love. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. If you have any questions or want to share your journey towards financial independence, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to join our amazing community of money-savvy individuals. Until next time, stay curious, stay motivated, and remember, you have the power to make your dreams come true. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye, everyone.